Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're reviewing getquin, a portfolio tracking app that's making waves with its sleek design and investor community. But is it really the best investment tracker out there in 2025? I've tested it out and I'll give you the rundown, pros, cons and all. Let's dive in. So getquin from getquin.com is a free app that syncs all your investments, stocks, ETFs, crypto and even real estate into one dashboard. Launched in 2020, it's got over 200,000 users in Europe, blending real-time tracking with a social vibe. You can link brokers like Robinhood or Trade Republic or manually add assets, plus chat with other investors. Sounds dope, right? But does it deliver? So the pros are solid. It's free to start, connect your accounts in minutes and see your net worth live. The dividend tracker is a standout. It forecasts payouts and breaks them down by year, perfect for income fans. The UI is clean, the community is active, the X page, think X but for portfolios, and security is tight with bank-level encryption. X users rave about its ease for beginners as well. Now the downsides. Real-time data lags for some ETFs and funds, not always live as hyped. Premium features like advanced analytics cost €50 a year, which stings if you're casual. Some expos flag a broker syncs glitches like missing assets, and support can be slow. It's not perfect for crypto-heavy folks either. Manual updates there. So is getquin the best? Well, it's a top contender, awesome for free tracking, dividends, and community vibes. But if you need flawless real-time data or deep crypto support, you might look elsewhere, like, for example, share sites. For most investors, though, yeah, it's a win. Tried it? Drop your take below, like and subscribe. See you next time.